Here we will write a program to find odd numbers from a list. For this, first we will open the IDLE. Then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write the program description. First we will define an empty list. Then we will accept number of elements from the user. So n equal to int input enter number of elements in the list. Then we will declare one integer variable I, which is initialized with 0, and we will use while loop. So while I less than n, we will accept the element of the list from the user. So e equal to int input enter element. Then we will insert this element in the list using append method. So L dot append e, and we will increment the I. Then we will print the message odd numbers from the list. Here again I will initialize I equal to 0, and we will use while loop. So while I less than length of L, and here we will check if L of I mod 2 is not equal to 0, we will print L of I, and we will increment I. So I equal to I plus 1. Then we will save it, and we will give the name odd numbers, and we will execute it. It will ask to enter the number of elements. I will give 5, and I will enter the elements. It will print odd numbers from the list 3, 7, 9.